Back when we were at the early phase of technological advancement, developing a video game is such a difficult work. Only the one with enough resources are able to do it. Fortunately, as time passes, we already experience several evolutions of technology that allows us to upgrade our way of life. Unknowingly, developing video game is also included in the evolution of technology. Today, we are able to develop video games on our own using software that are available for free, waiting for us to download them. An example of those software are Unity, Unreal, and Godot. The software really plays a big part in game development community as it leads the world to experience a large growth in game development activity all around the world. Maybe after listening to this talk, you might want to try to do game development on your own. Well, you certainly can. They also provide documentation, tutorials, and sample projects for you to start with. Come to think of it, I am technically a game developer myself. Maybe not a successful one, or should I say not yet. However, the road to be a successful game developer is definitely hard, just like any other type of occupation. My name is Darwish Zain, and today we will immerse to the realm of game development by learning about the three most basic roles in game development. Without wasting our time, I will start with the first role in game development, a game designer. Game designer is the most important role in game development because they were the one that plan every part of the development of the game, including the flow of the game, theme, genre, and several other parts. The game designer should be the one with a better understanding of the game that they plan to develop, and they should be able to explain it to every member of the game development team. A game designer is responsible to make sure that the development of the game is on track and is according to plan. Now we will proceed to the next role, which is artist. The artist is the one that take care of the arts that are presented in the game and visual representation of the game. The artist should be the most creative member of the team and should be able to think out of the box to make the environment of the game more convincing to the player. The artist should be familiar with graphic design software for them to do their job properly. Then we will continue with the last of the basic role in game development, which is programmer. The programmer concerns about the logic and the behavior of the components in the game. The programmer should be the one with the most critical thinking skills because they need to find the best way to implement the behavior and logic in the game without any error. The programmer will write sets of code in programming languages in order to control the flow of the game and make sure it works smoothly. There you have it, the three most basic roles in game development. In conclusion, game designer, artist, and programmer are the most crucial roles in game development. However, the statement is solely based on my own opinion, and it may differ with other individuals. There are several other roles in game development that was not included in today's talk, but They were all special in their own way. Game development activity will just started to bloom in Malaysia. So for those who are interested in developing their own video game, why don't you give it a shot? We would never know unless we try. Thank you.